Online video marketing has become an increasingly popular and effective way for businesses to reach and engage with their audience. There are a variety of different types of videos that can be used for online marketing, each with its own set of advantages and best practices. In this article, we will explore some of the most common types of videos used in online marketing, including explainer videos, demo videos, and customer testimonials. Explainer videos are short videos that explain a product, service, or concept in a clear and concise manner. They are typically animated and use simple language and graphics to communicate complex ideas. Explainer videos are an effective way to introduce a new product or service, or to explain a concept that may be unfamiliar to the viewer. They can be used to educate, persuade, and build trust with the audience. Demo videos are videos that demonstrate how a product or service works. They are often used to show the features and benefits of a product, and can be an effective way to showcase its value to the viewer. Demo videos can be particularly useful for complex products, as they allow the viewer to see the product in action and understand how it works. They can also be used to highlight the key differentiators of a product or service, and to help the viewer visualize how it can be used in their own life. Customer testimonials are videos that feature real customers sharing their experiences with a product or service. These videos are often used to build trust and credibility with the audience, as they provide real-world examples of how the product or service has benefited others. Customer testimonials can be particularly effective when they include specific details and results, as they provide tangible evidence of the product or service's value. Other types of videos that can be used in online marketing include product review videos, how-to videos, and behind-the-scenes videos. Product review videos are videos that provide a detailed evaluation of a product, highlighting its strengths and weaknesses. How-to videos are instructional videos that teach the viewer how to do something, such as use a product or perform a task. Behind-the-scenes videos provide a behind-the-scenes look at a company or industry, and can be an effective way to build trust and authenticity with the audience. In conclusion, there are a variety of different types of videos that can be used in online marketing, including explainer videos, demo videos, and customer testimonials. By understanding the strengths and best practices of each type of video, you can effectively use video to reach and engage with your audience.